Is crypto going lower? Have we seen the worst yet? Well, I'm going to let you guys know about what I think in this market. Now, right now, we've got Bitcoin at $96,000. We've got a neutral market environment. And one thing for sure is, the one thing I'm really starting to see here, which strikes me as a little bit of an alarm, although it's not really okay, this market is like cooked, it's finished sort of thing, but the overall decentralized exchange volume as per chain, we can see here, like looking at November, that DEX volume, looking at December, the DEX volume for chains such as Solana, Arbitrum, BSC, Base, and some other top dogs right there. Ethereum, how did I not say Ethereum? Was really high. So that's when we had euphoria, greed, and everything was up, pump, pump, pump. Right now, all we've seen is just Trump and dump by the seams of it. And overall, we're just not looking super healthy. So February statistics compared to January, we've only got 25% of the overall trading volume on the Solana chain versus the last month that we just had, which is obviously not great. It means retailers, newcomers are not entering the market. We're not seeing fresh liquidity. We're not seeing a positive narrative and sentiment in the markets. And these markets are driven by emotions and people, human beings, of course, and not entirely the smart money. So just want to talk about it. Is crypto going lower? Are we getting closer to the bottom? What can potentially happen here? Just going to use a very sort of simple metric that I like to always go back to kind of get a nice common ground and understand sort of where we are on a sentimental analysis side and just the progress that we've made through the bull market from the bottom to the top. So basically you can see, from the last time we were in the green ribbon here of this logarithmic regression band, that was a long time ago. That was, of course, in March 2020 where we had the COVID crash. And since then, that bull market expired. It hit its top in 574 days. If we look at the current run that we just had, the last little moment that we were in that green ribbon of that logarithmic was $27,000, October 2023. Now, so far, this market has been going on for about 490 days. So you could argue that this market has not been anywhere near as long as the other market, the bull market that is. So this is the other cycle. Now you can see when we look at this bull market cycle, it topped out. It hit top on the logarithmic regression. It got right to the top where most people would have thought, yeah, this is finished. Crypto is finished. Then it came down and actually tricked everyone. Came down to $32,000 from $60,000 and then repumped to a new all-time high over there, which is just insane at $69,000. So that market was just insane. This time around, we've not even got close to the top of this logarithmic regression band. And we've also technically got like another 100 days of potential positive trading. So what could happen this time is that maybe we do just consolidate here and chill for a bit. Maybe we actually do come a bit lower and we see Bitcoin come back to 76K, but then we could potentially see Bitcoin then rip from there to like $140,000. And then that might be the end around sort of the summer of this year, or maybe later, sort of winter this year. We just don't know what's going to happen, but we know that we have potentially got time on our sides from looking at the data. We know that we've not reached the top of this logarithmic regression chart, which assumes about $150,000 all-time high for Bitcoin. And these are just things I like to look at. So I do think crypto will go lower, obviously, in the bear market in the future. When that happens, I don't know when that will be. My price targets are in already based on logarithmic regression alone. And, I'm looking at buying Bitcoin back at 50,000, 45,000, 40,000. Maybe if I get super lucky, I might be able to get some Bitcoin at $30,000, which is insane, but not impossible. And overall, I think we are in that sort of place where we're getting to the top of the market. There's complacency. There's no conviction really with the moves. It's just sideways consolidation. But this is healthy in a way because we're getting bored of the market whilst Bitcoin is at an incredible value of $96,000. So it makes me think, well, when we either feel fear again, it's not going to be that low. But to feel extreme fear again in this market, we might just come down to about $70,000, $80,000, which is still really technically high. Because to get there, you're still going to need to see a crash of 20%, which is going to absolutely scare the living heck out most of you guys. I'm going to be sitting here probably just chilling because I've seen it all before. And what could happen after? Well, if we're going to see a pump, then 30% will give us that euphoria. It will absolutely give us that euphoria. Just like this pump here from 68 up to where we got to, which was an astonishing 57% gave us the euphoria, we might see that euphoria happen again. So yeah, these are the things that I'm thinking about. I think this market could go lower a little bit, but I think we see way more upside left in the market before it's all truly finished and expired and done. And then we go into our downward spiral, which is this channel here, into our upside down blue cross of accumulation, which, you know, if you want to find out more about that sort of stuff, check out my Discord down below and we can tell you more about what the upside down blue cross triangle is. Just message in the Discord and I'll get right back to you. If you're specifically asking for the upside down blue cross, what is it? What does it mean? So yeah, we know Dexus is down. The exchange is here. I guess, I don't know if we're how down we are. If we just look at Binance, had 1 trillion, total 2.94. There we had 2.32. We can see this particular month, we're not looking nowhere near as juicy. So the centralized exchange volume is down a fair amount. We had crypto.com with 283 bill. We had 324 bill. Then we had 273 bill. Crypto.com right now, only 131 bill. You can argue we're pretty much at the halfway mark of the month. So yes, it's not really a fair test, but it's still not feeling as great as it should. If you guys are looking to unlock some signals, education, insights, indicators, and more, look, just $4 per month. $4. I mean, $4 per month. Like, if I open my wallet, I'm now holding $4 in my hands. Could you sacrifice $4? Just get rid of them. You don't need it. Or do you? Maybe you do, I don't know. But could you get rid of $4 in exchange for monthly signals, education, insights that can give you potential gains like this? And these were just from yesterday, guys. So even when this market is cooked, boring, rocky, not looking great, you know, these guys are still making some money. So if you do want to potentially make money, put short positions in, long positions in to the market, check out Jacob's Crypto Clan, which is just down below. We're about to hit 40,000 members. We're so close. We're at 39.6K. And when we hit that 40K, we're going to do a massive, probably $4,000 giveaway or something like that. So if you want to get involved, check out Jacob's Crypto Clan down below. That would be amazing. And if you are doing any trading in this market, Bitchnix is my go-to. If you sign up, there's no KYC, it's globally accessible. And you might also get some eligibility here to some major sign-up bonuses, which could be very exciting in this market, which is feeling a little bit boring right now. So feel free to check all that out down below. Subscribe if you're new here, like, comment, and thanks very much. Let the algorithm know that we are onto something with what we think could happen next in this particular market, because everyone's an expert, right? But you know, you're going to get those moon boys that are talking about 500K Bitcoin still. Don't know how they still exist. But yeah, whether it's memes or whatever it is right now, I think we're still in a good place. We just need to see a real sense of direction in the crypto markets. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys soon. And stay crypto safe, I guess. Subscribe, like, comment. I think I said that already. Peace.